Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are watching my video lessons regularly. So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video lesson, you have to do three things for me. You have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel and you have to share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, so let's get started. Dear students, in the recent video lesson, we have already completed nouns as a number, right? Beta, we have seen and understood all the rules and we have even done the recap, right? So, in today's video lesson, our objective will be to understand nouns as a gender, okay? So, let's begin with the topic now. So students, when we talk about nouns as a gender, they are divided into four categories, okay? And what are those four kinds? See, number one is masculine gender, okay? Number second is feminine gender. Number third is common gender. And number fourth is neuter gender, okay? So students, we need to understand these things clearly one by one, okay? So let's start with masculine gender. What do you understand by the term masculine? See, beta, a noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be as masculine gender. Okay, the one which represents male. Okay, examples can be man, boy, uncle, son, brother, king, lion, etc. Okay, so it represents only male person or male animal, okay? So that is known as masculine gender. Now let's come to the feminine. Now students, the second one which we have is feminine gender. And what's that? A noun that denotes a female person or animal is said to be of the feminine gender, okay? So that kind of noun which is representing any female person or any female animal, that will be said to as feminine gender. Examples can be women, girl, aunt, daughter, sister, queen, etc. Okay. So whenever we have to represent any female person or animal, we will be referring to feminine gender. Okay. Clear? Now let's see the third one. Now students, the third one which we have is common gender. So nouns that can stand for both males or females are of the common gender. Okay. And examples can be baby, student, friend, guest. Okay. So whenever we have to refer to the common class, okay, so student can be a male or student can be a female, right? Similarly, a friend can be a male or friend can be a female, right? So all these comes under the category of common gender. Okay, clear? Now let's quickly see the last one. So the last one which we have is number fourth, that is neuter gender. And what's neuter gender? See, nouns that refer to lifeless objects are in the neuter gender. Lifeless means non-living things. Okay. Beta, here we are talking about particularly non-living things. Okay. So when we have to refer to non-living things, that time we have to use neuter gender. Examples can be book, bag, table, chair, bottle, etc. Okay. So whenever I have to refer to non-living things, I'll be using neuter gender. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's move further. So students, now when we have understood the four kinds of gender, we will come to the change, okay? That how we can change the feminine into masculine and masculine into feminine, okay? So there are certain rules. We will quickly understand these rules in order to change our masculine into feminine, okay? So let's see this table. So students, to change our masculine gender into feminine gender, we add ESS to the masculine, okay? And how we do that? Let's quickly see this. Lion, lioness, poet, poetess, priest, priestess, author, authoress, prince, princess. So can you see here? We are just adding ESS at the end to make it feminine. Okay. Shepherd, shepherdess. Host, hostess. Count, countess. So this is one way that how we can change our masculine into feminine. Okay. Just by adding ESS at the end. Clear? Now let's move forward. So students, this was the case when we have to change our masculine into feminine by using ESS, right? But sometimes what happens? Sometimes to change the gender, we have to change it by changing the word, okay? And how we do that? Let's explore here. See, number 1, bachelor, spinster. Can you note? Here the word is totally changed. So if I have in masculine bachelor, its feminine will be spinster. Okay. Boy, girl. Brother, sister. Bull, cow. Cock, hen. Dog, bitch. Earl, countess. Father, mother. Gentleman, lady. Horse, mare. Students, please note here that we cannot say horse, hostess. No, that would be incorrect. So, to change it, we have to change these by the changing word. Okay. So students, after this discussion, we have completed the chapter here itself. So I hope that you people will be doing the back exercises, okay, grammar exercises in the grammar book. And similarly, like other exercises, we will discuss this exercise also in the WebEx class, okay. Beta, keep your content sharp, okay. Keep on studying, keep on learning, keep on understanding the rules, and simultaneously you have to keep on practicing these grammar exercises in your grammar book, okay, to see the correct application that yes, you are understanding the content well, okay. So that's it. So students, that's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you take care of yourself and you keep on learning. And yes students, before going, make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel, and you share my video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright, goodbye, take care.